Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a list in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, there are multiple places where you can find your list. One of such is down below in the second option. You can see there a profile symbol, press on it. And here you can see up there the fourth option, which is your list. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can also see here your list option, and you can even create a list. Now another way of finding your list is also down below the fourth option. You can see three lines there, press on it, and you will also find here your list in the shortcut section. Just press on it. Now after doing so, you will see here your only default list created by the app itself, that is the Alexa list. Now if you want to add the new list, all you have to do is just press on the plus symbol right next to the your lists and registries. And after doing so, you have to name that list. I'm just going to add number 2 there and press create list. Yes, and that is how you do it. It was created without any problems, so it's pretty easy to do it. And if you want to add any items to it, for example to your Alexa list, just press on it. You can see the add items section, and you can write in here anything that you want to add in the search bar, and just press on the item that appears here. And after that, if you close it, you can see here in the diary that the eggs were added to your item list. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.